Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI. If you are looking for a great scratching post to keep your cats happy, you're gonna love this one.
This is a 31-inch tall cat scratching post from Topmart, and let me tell you, this thing is awesome. It is so easy to put together, and I really think it is made with super high quality material. I was able to put it together super quick, and I love how this thing has some weight to it. It's about 11 and a half pounds, which is perfect because my 15-pound cat is completely obsessed with this thing. He loves to rub all over it. He jumps on top of it, and it is not going anywhere. You can see how great this scratching material is on here, so it is going to last for a really long time. Like I said, my big cat is so in love with it. He is always sitting on it no matter where I bring this in the house. He jumps up on top of it and is immediately playing with it. And this thing can really take a beating. I am so happy I found something to keep him entertained so that my furniture gets a break and he can just play with his scratching post. I really could not recommend this scratching post more highly. It is such good quality.
My cats love this scratching post, and I think your cats will too. And that's my point of view.